Well, I crossed the 40-pound barrier in total weight loss, but I only lost 2 pounds this week. That can only mean one thing: a failure has occurred. We'll get into that in a minute, but first, let's talk about the weigh-in results. I weighed in this morning at 260.4 pounds, a loss of 2.2 pounds for the week. This brings my total weight loss since January to 40.6 pounds. This means I'm averaging about a third of a pound every day, or about 2.5 pounds a week, which is a pretty good average. This also means I'm about 20 pounds away from my first milestone goal weight at 240 pounds and 45 pounds away from my ultimate goal weight at 215 pounds. I am almost halfway there. So after a great recovery week last week and losing 4 pounds, I only lost 2 pounds this week. Of course, there are reasons for that, but I want to call out that I am not discouraged about only losing 2 pounds. That is a very good amount of weight to lose in a week, especially considering that life has been really challenging recently. We have been taking a lot of weekend road trips as we are planning for an eventual move. So this has obviously led to a lot of challenges, including this past weekend. Sunday, we were on an all-day road trip. We did pack food for snacks and lunches, which were keto, but we did stop for dinner, and that ended up being a cheat meal. Just being completely honest. The good thing is that we were able to keep it to one meal and one meal only. Got right back on the horse the next day. The rest of the week kept the macros where they needed to be. I also fasted on Wednesday. Now, as for activity this week, I am really happy about where I landed. I got in all 5 strength training workouts this week. If you've been following my progress, you know I don't always hit that mark. Also, no surprise, I got over 10,000 steps every day. However, the last part has been a consistent struggle for me since I began this journey in January, and that is getting 3 sessions of some higher intensity cardio. This week it happened. I got on the elliptical 3 times for about 20 to 25 minutes. Of course, I'd still like to get that up to around 30 minutes at a minimum, but I'm really excited about hitting all my activity goals. So I have a little over a month before the next big weight loss challenge or trip comes my way, and I'm going to have to give it everything I have to get as close to my milestone goal weight as possible. One thing's for sure, it's going to be a very interesting race to the finish. Stay tuned.